Opening it right up, I see some good stuff. Let me start that over. Hello all, how are you doing, darling? Thank you for being here and watching. Oh, got a piece of hair in my lip gloss. Today's video is going to be me unboxing an eBay makeup mystery box. Now I've done this 2 times before. Or was it 3 times? I can't remember. We have had one very successful unboxing. I will link that one down below if you want to watch it, but I got a ton of like really expensive high-end makeup and I was just like, what? Because that had never happened before. So I figured, you know, a couple months have gone by, let's take another stab at it. So this time it came in this mailer bag like this. So I'm going to cut it open. This is like a $200 mystery box. It is really heavy, so I am so excited to see what's in here. Cover my address, but you can tell I have not opened it yet, so I have no idea. So we're just going to figure this all oh my Lord. So we are just going to figure this all out together. So with that being said, we are going to sing the subscribe song, and then we're going to jump right into this video. Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe! And now let's jump right in. First things, I'm going to use the scissors that I used to chop all my hair off with.
Do it! Oh. No, you gotta keep going. Keep going.
My handy dandy, look, it still has a piece of hair on it. Oh, loud. My handy dandy ABH scissors. These are just great. I just use them for everything. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Actually, I'm going to cut the back side so we can open it together. Hopefully I'm not. Okay, it's got some tissue paper in here. So say, hopefully I'm not cutting the makeup. It's a bag inside of a bag. Okay, we have a blue bag. And then like, look, it's a bag inside of a bag. What does that mean? Watch it just be like another bag and another bag and another bag. All right, we're getting to some things in here. Opening it right up, I see some good stuff. I see some Hoola from Benefit, some NYX, and some different stuff. But first, I think we should look into this little blue bag that we got here and see what came in here. Shall we, darling? Shall we? Okay. Oh, stuff is flying everywhere. Oh my God, this is a bag filled with samples. Okay. We have like a hair mask sample, just different hand creams and lotions and all kinds of things. So this is just like a sample bag. I wonder where all these samples came from, you know? Even at we got Mary Kay, girl. We got ABH. Oh my God, this is one of those like French braid things. Did anyone use these a long time ago? I totally remember these. Oh my God, what is that? We have a mini elephant on a red string. I don't know what that means and I don't know what that is. Cutting in the video real quick. This is future Laura, but I wanted you guys to see a close-up of all that came in the little sample bag. Just lots of little random samples, and in case you just wanted to get a close-up on each one so you can vote, is it worth the money? Okay, so the blue bag was really random, but let's now move into the actual big package and see what all is inside. Diving right in, the first thing we have is Magic Foot Peeling Shoes. Guys, I have heard of these before. I should probably use one, but they terrify me so much because I have seen things. I have seen pictures of people's feet coming off and it freaks me out. I've never done like a foot peel, like the baby skin. Maybe I'll try this on Ty and we won't tell him what the outcome is. Next up, I have a, Wonder Beauty. Excuse me. We might have just gotten another really good mystery box. This is by Wonder Beauty. They're one of my favorite brands. It says Lift Off Purifying Brightening Peel Off Mask. Do you guys see this? Okay, Wonder Beauty is a really luxe brand. So we have one really nice item. Okay. Oh my gosh, I got a Hoola Mini. Honestly, this is one of my favorite contour products. Like, it seriously is perfect. Oh, it's brand spanking new. Brand still has the seal on it. I like that. Guys, we just got a good mystery box. And I am well aware that I have tons of makeup and that, you know, it's like I don't need these products. I know that, but makeup's always fun to me. I have a passion for it. So it's still really exciting for me. And if there's anything I won't use, then I give it to friends and family members or donate it. We have Purely. This is goat's milk and olive oil bath bar. I've never really used like a hunk of bath bar. Like, I've seen things like this at different shops, but I've never actually like really used it. So thank you very much. We'll try that out. Ma'am, this is a lipstick holder from the 80s. This is like used. This is someone's used lipstick holder. This box is so random. Do you see this? Kind of vintagey, so I'm not complaining because it is low-key cool. I typically don't use things like this, but maybe I'll give it to Erin. She'll be like, girl, what do you want me to do with this? I don't use lipstick. But it is interesting, kind of random in here. Next, I got from Bath & Body Works Country Chic. This is a triple moisture. Oh! I just exploded. What in the world? Okay, this is very dangerous. It's all over my clothes too. How crazy. Did you guys see? We're gonna do a slow-mo. Now, did they know it was me? Girl, they sent me Country Chic. I am Country Chic. At least I think I am. Next up, I got a little mini bags of Physicians Formula lip products. Here's that we got all different colors of Physicians Formula lippies. I got a Physicians Formula Healthy Lip. I got a brand new, I really like this concealer too. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. So I got a brand new little Makeup Revolution situation. Oh, I got a bath bomb. Warm vanilla sugar. Okay. I have lots of Physicians Formula happening. A Physicians Formula Coconut Milk Eye Remover. So this is a little bit of makeup remover. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just I've actually never seen this stuff sold in stores. Oh, I got an Estee Lauder Resilience Lift. This is a cream. The top of the lid on it's kind of bumped up. Like it doesn't look used though. Okay. It's like a filled container. It doesn't really look used, so that's exciting. Okay, girl. Okay. I got, these lashes look cute. Doo-doo lashes. Doo-doo lashes. I think that says dodo lashes. You guys see that? But the lashes look really cute, so I'm excited about that because you know I'm a lash wearing queen. I got, another baby Benefit the High Beam highlighter. This is like a mini sample. Cutting in as future Laura. I want to show you guys a close-up of all the stuff that actually came in the package. So we got the foot thing, the soap, lashes, lip liner. These are all the lippies. What do you guys think? Oh, and this is, I want to show you this so you can see what I was talking about. Very interesting, right? And then I got this bag of samples in here. So we got stuff like some hand soap, some little mini perfumes, some little Ulta, little mini nail polishes, baby skin. This is a NYX little lippy. We got the, this is at Sephora. So, okay, I'm going to give kind of like my review right now and like what I think. Which this isn't a bad idea. I think someone put together all their free samples from stores and like collected them. And then they put together all the makeup they know they're not going to use at all. And they're just not interested in using and they haven't used. And like their lotions they haven't used and their bath bombs they haven't used. And they put it all together and sold it to make some coin. So as a side hustle, I don't think that's a bad idea. For me personally, like rating this box, I don't think it was worth the price. And that's the thing with these mystery box. Only one time have I gotten a mystery box where it was just like well over the price that I paid. This time around, I really don't think it was worth the price at all. I mean, granted, maybe if you added up everything, yes, it would cost more than the box. But the actual items, like, they just seem a little random and a little old. So, like, they've been sitting in someone's cabinet for a long time. Like, it seems like someone cleaned out their bathroom cabinet and I paid money to buy the stuff they didn't want. So, I appreciate the hustle for the person that sold it to me, but I don't think it was worth the money. What do you guys think? Now, this is your turn to sound off in the comment section. You saw the items I got. It is your turn to tell me. Like, I mean, I think it really just depends on the person. Everyone's different and everybody has different needs and wants, especially when it comes to beauty. So, you know, for you personally, do you think that this was worth the cost? Sound off down below. I love reading your responses. That's one of the funnest things when filming this video is listening to what you guys think. Because some people are like, no, girl, that's a deal. And then some people are like, girl, that's junk. So it's just really interesting to me. I feel like I want to swatch just a couple of these products. So yeah, this looks brand new. Like, I don't think this stuff is used. That looks brand new. Actually, this NYX little whip thing seems pretty nice. I know Benefit, like, if you purchase at Ulta or something, you get these as free samples. That's why I say that. Ooh, yeah. These are, like, brand new. They're really pretty. They're great. I'm excited I got them. Let's see what this mask is all about. See, the mask is sealed. I don't get the vibe that things are used. I just get the vibe that, did you clean up your bathroom cabinet and give me all the junk? Gosh, I'm scared to smell things. Ooh, this is pretty. It's like pearlescent. Ooh, it's pretty. It's a peel-off mask, which those are so much fun. Just wanted to dabble a little bit with this stuff. So I think that's about it for this video. This video is a little bit short and sweet, so my contents normally get a little long because I talk a lot. All right, well, that's it for this video. Thank you for joining in our eBay unboxing. I also want to order they do mystery box for clothing. So I think that would be kind of cool to do like a try-on haul with a mystery box. Let me know if you would like to see that. I think that could be like a neat video idea. Hopefully everything wouldn't be a flop. Anyways, I love you guys. Oh, I got lotion everywhere, girl. But I love you guys. You know I love you so much. I really do. And I'll see you all in my next video. All right. Bye, guys. See you later, alligator.